Once upon a time, deep in a lush green jungle, there was a beautiful river. Beside this river stood a magnificent jamun tree. This tree was home to a very clever and kind monkey named Momo. Momo loved his life. He spent his days swinging from branch to branch and eating the sweet purple jamun fruits. They were as sweet as honey. One sunny afternoon, Momo saw a large crocodile named Kalu swimming slowly toward the bank. Kalu looked very tired and hungry.
Hello there.
Momo called out.
You look exhausted. Would you like some sweet jamun fruits?
Kalu looked up surprised.
Oh, thank you, kind monkey. I am indeed very hungry.
Momo plucked the ripest, juiciest fruits and tossed them down. Kalu gobbled them up.
These are the best fruits I've ever tasted.
From that day on, Kalu visited Momo every single day. They became best friends. They talked about the birds, the fish, and the secrets of the jungle. Momo would always give Kalu an extra pile of berries to take home to his wife.
What fruit would you share with your best friend?
One evening, Kalu's wife tasted the berries and said, "If these fruits are so sweet, imagine how sweet the heart of that monkey must be. He eats these every day. Kalu, I want to eat the monkey's heart." Kalu was shocked.
But he is my best friend. I cannot do that.
But his wife wouldn't listen. She pretended to be very sick and said, "Only a monkey's heart can cure me. If you don't bring it, I will die." Poor Kalu was stuck. He loved his friend, but he loved his wife more. With a heavy heart, he swam back to the jamun tree.
Momo, my wife is so happy with the fruits that she's invited you for a grand dinner at our house across the river.
I'd love to come, but I can't swim. How will I get there?
Don't worry. Just hop on my back, and I will carry you.
Momo jumped onto Kalu's broad, scaly back, and they set off. The cool water felt amazing. But when they reached the middle of the deep, swirling river, Kalu began to sink lower.
Kalu, what are you doing? I'm getting wet.
Momo cried, starting to feel scared. With tears in his eyes, Kalu confessed.
I'm sorry, Momo. My wife is sick and needs to eat your heart to survive. This is not a dinner. This is the end.
Momo's heart raced, but he stayed calm. He was a very smart monkey.
Oh dear Kalu, why didn't you tell me sooner? I would do anything for your wife, but there is one problem.
What is it?
Asked Kalu.
We monkeys don't keep our hearts inside our bodies while we travel. I left my heart hanging on a branch of the jamun tree. If we go to your house now, you won't get my heart.
Kalu, being a bit silly, believed him.
Oh no, we must go back and get it immediately.
Kalu turned around and swam back to the shore as fast as he could. As soon as they reached the bank, Momo didn't wait for a second. He leaped off Kalu's back and climbed to the very top of the jamun tree. He looked down at Kalu and said,
You foolish crocodile. Can anyone live without their heart? You tried to betray a friend who loved you. Go away. Our friendship is over.
Kalu realized his mistake. He had lost a great friend and the delicious berries, all because of his greed and dishonesty. He swam away, hanging his head in shame. The moral of the story: a quick wit can save you from any danger, and a friend who betrays you was never a friend at all.